Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows BCD boot errors in GPT or EFI system. Boot with Windows bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type Diskpart. Type list space, disk. Star indicates partition is GPT or EFI. Type select space, disk space, 0. Type list space, volume. FAT32 file system is system partition. Type select space, volume 2. Type assign space, letter equal to Z. Type exit. Type format space, Z:\, space, /fs:\, FAT32. Type system. Type BCD boot space, C:\Windows space, /s space, Z:\, space, /f space, all. Exit and start Windows. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.